Crewton Ramone, houseofmath.com.
Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Okay. So here's the problem that we did. And here it is all lined up. I remembered to get my camera out before we moved on. We were almost at the end of it when I went, you know, I should film this. Because now the emphasis is going to be on understanding that we're filling up this one, right? And she knew right away when we did this that it was going to be 20. And that we would have to take 5 and 5, right? Okay, so we multiplied by 1. We multiplied by 1. So this is the same thing. 15 twentieths is the same thing as 3/4. And 12 twentieths is the same thing as 3/5. And when we added those two together, 15 of the 20th kind and 12 of the 20th kind, we got 27 twentieths. Okay, then we had a little problem. Because this is an improper fraction. So what do we have to do? Well, I had to count out how many 20s. And we got to understand that what we were doing is filling this one up. To use our imagination and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put them over here to fill this up, to make a 1. And we'd have 20 out of 20 there, right? And then we'd still have 7 left. And so now we could we rewrite that? Here, you do it. Rewrite that. Equals what? 1. There you go, because that 20 over 20 is the same thing as 1. Done.
Oh.
Right? That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, right? Big smile. Simple, right? Okay, so the idea is we really are counting 20 out of the 27. Right? Because the total of all these pieces is 27. Right? All these single pieces.
Mm-hmm.
But every time we get 20 of them together, we decided that's 1. Right? Because we had to make that common denominator. And we can see they really do fit together like that. Okay, so now let's do some other pieces and play a different game where we're gonna add and wind up with more than 1, and we're gonna bring this point home about improper fractions. Okay, let's play that game. Okay, so now we're changing the rules all around. Now I'm saying that this is 1 and this is 1/3, and we just did a 3-period lesson. So what's this?
1/3.
What's this?
1.
Okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so show me 1/3. Okay, show me, okay, great, we've only had 2 choices here. Okay, so now show me 5/3. Mm-hmm. Alright, put it down here. Okay, so this is 5/3.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much is 5/3 the same as? Let's write that down. Write down 5/3. Over here, 5/3. And that's the same thing as what? Let's figure it out. Give me an equal sign. Cap the pen. So how many can we count? Every time I get 3 of these together, how many is that? What's this again?
Oh, 1.
Okay. See? Now, do I have a 1 there? I have 1.
Yeah.
And how much do I need? Do I have some more that'll fit there? Put them in there. Okay, you could use that, or you could use the green ones.
I could use that.
Okay, so what do I have? I have 1, and how many of the next one? So put my 1. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is it 1 there?
Mm-mm.
Remove the note for the lesson. Ask them what they have. What do I have there? How many fits? Right.
Yeah.
2 would go. That's why I said use the green ones, because that would make it super easy. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So what we have there, and see, we could rewrite that. What's that? That's 3/3, isn't it? Well, we know 3/3 is 1, but just for the time being, just put 3/3.
Oh.
1 big 3 would be 3. We don't have 3 there. There you go. So there's my 1, and, right? One of them, 3/3, literally, right? And 2 out of 3. Right? Because each one of these are thirds. So what are we counting? We're counting 1. And each one of these is a third. So I really have, now you can put 1. 1 and 2/3. See it? Alright, let's go faster. Show me... Alright, so now we have 7/3. I said show me 7/3, so she got that out. Oh, very good. Now what are we going to put there? And what's this one's name now? How many? You're going to tell me you only have 1 there?
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm. There you go. This one's name is what?
1.
This is 1. What's this one's name?
Oh, 1/3.
There you go. Okay. See how it works?
Mm-hmm.
Show me 9. Oh, I'll tell you what. Show me 11/3.
11/3.
Yeah, so let's write that over here.
Oh, just thinking.
Okay, just thinking. There she is. Just thinking.
Oh, make them more room.
Okay.
Okay.
Get out 11/3, please. Now, I know what you're just thinking about. I know what you're doing in your head. I can see your wheels turning. How many 3s are going to go in there?
I'm not gonna tell you much.
Yeah,
Look at them.
there you go. Good. I'm happy. Mm-hmm. And how many will be left? We're counting by? Okay. Very good. Very good. She just wrote that down and I missed it. But alright. Okay. See it?
Mm-hmm. That's the answer.
And now you can see I have 3, right? 3 of them in there. 3 times 3 is 9, and there'll be 2 left. Right?
Yeah, right here.
Is it making sense? And exactly. And those are the 2 left right there. Right? Using your imagination. Excellent. Alright. So now, let's get crazy. Show me 17/3. And we won't get on any blocks at all, maybe. Just 17/3, write it. Starts off slow, but then once they get it, it goes very quickly.
I'm just counting.
I know. What's the most 3s we can get out of there? Excellent. And how many is going to be left? Excellent, right? Because 3 times 5 is 15. There's 2 left over. Fine job. I think it's time to change the game.
Yeah.
These 3s are boring. Let's change it.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we changed the game. Now this is 1. Let's put it right there. This is, now, so what's that then?
1/4.
Okay, so write it down.
And
1/4?
there's 1.
Okay, good. So write it down. That's a 4th, so we know. And this is 1, which is 4 over. Okay, great. So show me 7/4.
Right.
You're even gonna get out the blocks? You could if you wanted to. You could get out this real quick. But she doesn't need them already, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's my 1 that she
I
just
got 'em
figured
already.
out. How many's left? I'm counting by 4s. There you go. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get crazy. 23/4.
23/4.
Yeah, put 23.
Alright.
Yep. And she's thinking again. Must be 5.
Counting by 4s.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. There's pebbles on my feet.
Okay.
No, it's tingling.
Falling asleep for there. Very good. Excellent. Okay, how about 26/4?
Oh.
Now I want you to think a little bit on this one. 26/4. Alright, we don't even need these blocks anymore. She's got it in her head.
Yeah. Scram.
Mm-hmm. Is it 3?
Wait. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Now wait a minute. What's 2/4 the same as?
2/4 the same as 4.
As what?
2/4 the same as 1.
1 what?
1/4.
2/4 is the same as 1/4? Mm-mm. What's 2/4 the same as? See, now we got to do both of them. 6. Nothing happens to the 6. We're just trying to figure out what's going on with the 2/4. So get out 2/4. Yep. And take a look at that and see. What is it? What's
Same
2
as
fourths?
2.
Same as what? Let's look at this carefully. How much is that 2 fourths the same as? Is that how much of it?
Same as 4. Same as 4.
Keep looking. Keep thinking. In fact, now I'm going to do this. How many of these do I have? 1, 2 twos.
No, 2
right?
twos.
Right, so 2 of them. So this is 1 out of 2.
Yeah.
Right? Or 2 out of 4 is the same thing as 1 out of 2.
Yeah, it's the same thing as 1 out of 2.
Right? In fact, I can take this further, and I can take this and do this. See that? And now I'm going to change it. I'm going to reshape it so it's like that. And do I say I have 1 here and 2 there? So 2 fourths is the same thing as what? Yeah, you remember now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But we can really see that it's 1 here and 2 there. And the whole thing is 2 fourths. Right? But we're just reducing. We're reducing the 2, right? 1 over 2. Right? Remember that? Okay. Excellent. Right, we got to do 2 parts. Alright. What if we change it to fifths? What if we change it to sevenths? What if we change it to sixths? So we're going to do all of these. Right? We're just going to do more exercises. And just have fun. And sometimes we're going to have to think about it, where we might have to reduce this. Okay? It does that sometimes. It just shuts off for no reason by itself. Anyway, okay.
Spooky.
Spooky. Ghost in the machine. So what do we have? We had 4 eighths plus 3 eighths is how many eighths? There you go.
Oh, we take them out.
Can you do anything?
No.
Alright, are you done?
Yeah.
Then why are you trying to make it hard? Okay, let's do it.
No, I make it one.
What?
No, I make it 1
Is if the top was bigger? Is the top bigger? Is that an improper fraction? No. Okay. Anything else? You want to try and make it harder for some reason? Or can we do another problem?
I can do another problem.
Alright, let's do another problem. Alright, now we're cooking with some gas over here. Again, no blocks. Gotta make them same so we can add them. She's thinking. Definitely noodling it out.
Oh, you make it the same as 10.
Very good. Okay, so do it. Okay, multiply it by 1. When you multiply by 1, you don't change it. And we got 8 tenths and 3 tenths. Then what? Oh, now what? Yep. Done. High fives. You're doing a very excellent job. Okay. Alright. Now how long have we been going at this? Not even half an hour.
It came 6.
Right?
Yeah.
Right about 6?
Yeah.
So, how fast and easy is this? Once you learn what you're doing, right, now you can do these. Okay, now we're going to do a little bit more to attain mastery. But definitely, we got the addition of fractions down. Now what? Subtraction, then what? Multiplication, then what? Division. Okay? So it takes a little bit longer, but it's worth the time.
Yeah.
Because now you understand what you're doing. Okay. We did a couple, and the first one freaked her out because it was different. No, all the rules. No, we just make them the same, right? And then what? Subtract them. So now she's, ooh, look at this, ooh, right? No blocks, just going at it. 6. Well, actually, we did.
9.
Right. Done, right? Super easy. In fact, this was easier than some of the other ones we did.
Yeah.
So let's make a harder one so people can see you can do more difficult ones. How about 3/4 minus 5/8? You're gonna go with 8? Can we just do this one, just like the other ones? Can I get... Do I have to change both of them? Or could I just change that one? You tell me. What could I change this to make common with that? To make it same so we can count
it. Okay.
Do I'm going to do anything to this one?
Oh, the same as 8.
Yeah, there you go. Excellent.
Okay. 8.
Actually, all of these are easy once you know what you're doing. I mean, come on, what is it? 6 minus 5? Or, yeah, 6 minus 5. Which is what? Done. Kindergarten math. Right? Once we make them same, it's super easy. It's just figuring out how to make them same. Okay. Pretty funny. So I can't do them this big. Oh, yes you can.
Oh, wait.
So what do I have to multiply this by to get 56?
8, 7.
So what am I going to have to multiply that by? Oh, you're just going to leave it at 3? How did I get... What did I have to multiply? What's the 1 I multiplied by?
Oh, 8.
Write it down over here.
Oh.
What over what? There you go. So you don't get confused. Trying to take too many shortcuts. Alright, so now how many over here? Very good, very good. That part's easy. 21 minus 8. See, and now we know how to do it. It's like, look at you counting on your fingers. There you go. Right? That would have just added 2. Because I know.
Yeah.
Right? And then there's 1. Okay, there you go.
Yeah, to take something away.
Right, there you go. Right, small addition is easier, faster, funner than big subtraction. Alright, so you're correct. 1356. Done. Fine job. Crewton Ramone's House of Math.com for more.